So hi sir, good evening and Jai Venus to all, and many congratulations to your entire team. So what was the success mantra for this achievement of your entire team?
Build a strong team. That is the only success mantra.
Okay.
This is a very strongest team in Venus, GCC.
Okay, and sir, like consistency or strategy, like what was the main reason behind your success?
We are very goal focused, rather not a single movement which comes in on the way. Basically, we thought of we will not be able to achieve it. But yes, once we thought after the month of January, but we immediately pulled our socks basically, and then we move forward. So I think that is the only key to our success, that none of our member really felt like okay nahi sir nahi ho sakta, hum karenge sir, we'll do it, let us try it out. So this feeling really encourages each one of us to move forward and win this trophy.
Well, many congratulations sir, and like what is that one mindset that every winner must have to achieve any target?
I think he should be very focused, totally planned basically. If planning and focus is there, then only part left is implementation.
Yes.
Must implement whatever action plan you make, must implement that. That is very important, because most of the time we fail to implement. Planning is ready, but we could not able to implement. So the key success is must implement whatever you have planned. I'm sure you will achieve 100%.
Okay, and sir, like you were mentioning that there was one time when you thought of giving up. तो उस टाइम पर टीम भी थोड़ी डीमोटिवेट हो जाती है, दैट रिजल्ट्स नहीं आ रहे, तो उस तरह की सिचुएशन आप कैसे हैंडल करते हैं एज अ लीडर?
होता यही है मैडम, जस्ट हम बेसिक्स के ऊपर अपने वर्क फंक्शनिंग वापस शुरू कर देते हैं. लेट अस स्टिक टू आवर बेसिक्स, लेट अस डू सम ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग, देखें हम कुछ शायद एक अपॉर्चुनिटी निकलती है, लेट अस डू इट. हम उसके साथ जैसे जैसे हम आगे मूव करते हैं, वो सक्सेस कहते हैं ना, खुद ब खुद आनी शुरू हो जाती है मैडम. स्पेशली तो अगेन वी कम बैक, वो कहते हैं हौसले बुलंद है तो कामयाबी बिल्कुल आपको मिलेगी मिलेगी.
वेरी नाइस सर, थैंक यू सो मच. एंड सर आप लोग कुछ ऐड ऑन करना चाहते हैं जो सर ने कहा?
बस मैं कि अगर हमारे पास हांडा सर जैसे लीडर हो और इमीडिएट हमारे मेंटर धीरज सर जैसे हो, तो कोई भी टारगेट कोई भी गोल हो उसे हम अचीव कर सकते हैं. बस यही कहना.
यस सर, व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू?
लाइक द ट्रस्ट होना चाहिए मेजरली आपकी टीम के ऊपर में, एंड ऑब्वियसली इट्स अ कांस्टेंट गाइडेंस फ्रॉम द लीडर लाइक हांडा सर. और इसके अलावा जो है कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए अपने ऊपर में, खासकर कि जब कॉन्फिडेंस होता है तो रिजल्ट्स अपने आप आते हैं. सो ये बेसिकली टीम एफर्ट्स होता है. समवेयर कहीं पे होता है, कई बार कोई नीचे जा रहा होता है, कोई ऊपर, तो कैसे हम चीज़ को मैनेज करके एक टीम को ऊपर लेके आना है. तो इट्स टोटली ए टीम एफर्ट, और एक टीम बिल्डिंग प्रोसेस बनता है हम लोगों का आपस में. दो इंटर कॉम्पिटिशन रहता है कि वो कैसे आगे जा रहे हैं, हम कैसे पीछे रह रहे हैं, बट सम एट द एंड ऑफ द डे हमको एक टीम की तरह काम करना, और टीम की तरह हमने काम किया, तो इसकी वजह से हम वो विनर बनते हैं.
वेल, थैंक यू सो मच एंड मैनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू द एंटायर टीम, एंड आई होप नेक्स्ट सीजन में भी आप लोग जल्दी मिलेंगे. जय वीनस मैम, एंड मैनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू योर एंटायर टीम. सो व्हाट वाज द सक्सेस मंत्रा फॉर दिस अचीवमेंट ऑफ योर एंटायर टीम?
Ma'am, every year on year basis, I always say one thing, that we have to achieve it. For that, we can do anything. We have to be on the stage, and there's no success mantra. Just that you have to do it. You have to be here. That's it.
Okay, yes ma'am, what would you like to say?
Like MD sir also told that PPL starts with passion. So this year was very much challenging. It was start of the war, 20th February. And luckily, unluckily, all war zone countries were with me, and him too. So name it like Israel, name it like Dubai, name it like Bahrain, name it Palestine. Everything was with us only, and all the shipments were due in March also. So this time was very much challenging, but somehow with the support of GLP, supply chain, PCD, and all other departments, it got managed. Every challenging situation was outcome. And it was very beautifully handled by all in a very coordinated manner. So this was really awesome from all the team members.
Well, that's really commendable. Yes sir, what would you like to say?
As ma'am said, there were a lot of challenges, but only thing in our mind was that we have to do it by any means necessary. We have to do it, and like हमारे काफ़ी सारी war zone countries थी, but हमने वो overcome किया, and ma'am we achieved that target.
So any message from your side?
It is very genuine. We achieved our PPL. That's it.
Thank you. So ma'am, any message that you would like to give to the other teams who couldn't make it this year?
See, the only thing is that nothing is impossible. Everything is possible. Just that you have to think, you have to bring passion in you, fire in you to achieve it.
and like one message for your entire team.
They were always with me at my hard time, so keep it up and be with me whenever I feel that I can't we can't achieve. Just be with me and motivate me.
And how are you planning to celebrate this lovely win with your entire team? Any plans?
We have already celebrated a part.
Already celebrated a part of it, but next part will be, it will be taken up soon now with the trophy itself now in the shelves that we have designed it for.
Well, that's lovely. Yes, sir. What would you like to say?
Yeah, I would like to say that I am feeling very encouraged by winning this event. And honestly speaking, it wasn't easy for us to win this, this PPL. And I still remember in the last quarter, it was very hard. Every second day we used to have a meeting, and every day our agenda was very, similar, how to achieve this. And there was a moment when we thought that it will not going to, for us to achieve that. But ma'am, congratulations to ma'am that she never left the target. She always encouraged the team that you have to do it, and finally we did it.
Well, that's really nice. Yes, sir. What would you like to say?
So, despite many challenges that we faced last year, we remain perseverance and consistent throughout the year and in achieving the sales. So that is the only key to success.
Well, thank you so much, and many congratulations to you all. Hi, sir, Jai Venus, and many congratulations to your entire team. So, what was the driving force behind this achievement of your team?
Driving force, I would say, was of course will to achieve, passion with purpose, and जो भी scientific communication, appropriate जो चीज़ जिस चीज़ की जहाँ ज़रूरत है उसको वैसे ही इम्प्लीमेंट करवाने के लिए जो भी ज़रूरतें हैं टीम को वो प्रोवाइड करवाना, जो रास्ता दिखाना, यही ड्राइविंग फोर्स रहा हमारा.
ओके सर, कंसिस्टेंसी और स्ट्रैटेजी ज़्यादा क्या आपके अकॉर्डिंग मैटर करता है टू अचीव एनी काइंड ऑफ टारगेट?
आई वुड से बोथ. कंसिस्टेंसी से ज़्यादा इनफैक्ट स्ट्रैटेजी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. अगर स्ट्रैटेजी क्लियर नहीं है मुझे जाना कहाँ है, अगर मुझे ये क्लियर नहीं है कि मुझे दिल्ली जाना है, तो मैं हो सकता है अम्बाला जाकर रुक जाऊँ. तो पहले मुझे ये ज़रूरी है वो कौन से रास्ते से जाना है, ये भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो स्ट्रैटेजी इज़ मोर important than consistency. Consistency of course helps once the strategy is clear.
ओके सर, एंड जैसे कोई भी अचीवमेंट्स होती है तो बिना चैलेंजेस के कोई भी पूरी नहीं होती है, कुछ ना कुछ चैलेंजेस होते हैं. तो आपकी टीम के लिए क्या चैलेंजेस थे विच यू ओवरकेम?
हमारी टीम के लिए चैलेंजेस वही था बेसिकली. सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट जो हमें जो लास्ट ईयर भी हालांकि हमने इम्प्रूव किया था, बट एक्सिक्यूशन ऑफ वट एवर स्ट्रैटेजीज वी आर क्रिएटिंग, उनको कैसे हम फैसिलिटेट करें, कैसे हम टीम को मोटिवेट करें और अंडरस्टैंड करें कि जो चैलेंजेस वो फेस कर रहे हैं उनको हम स्ट्रेटजिकली कैसे ईज़ कर सकते हैं. तो उन चीज़ों पे हमारा वर्क रहा जिससे कि एक्सिक्यूशन इम्प्रूव हो सके. गोल्स जो थे, एक्टिविटी गोल्स जो रहते हैं, उनको हमने उस तरह से बनाने की कोशिश की जो कि अचीवेबल रहें. उससे एक्सिक्यूशन में हेल्प मिलती है, क्योंकि अगर एक आदमी को लगता है मुझे एक साथ 10 काम करने हैं या उसको लगता है मुझे 3 काम करने हैं, तो वो 3 काम करना आसानी से करता है, बट वो 3 भी प्रोडक्टिव हो ये ज़रूर होता है देखना. तो हमारी कोशिश ये रही कि एक्सिक्यूशन इम्प्रूव हो टीम का, और वो जोश टीम का रहा ही, वो सबसे ज़रूरी था जिससे उन्होंने अचीव किया.
तो सर अपनी टीम के लिए 2 लाइंस.
मेरी टीम मेरी स्टार्स हैं, सारा दारोमदार इन्हीं के ऊपर रहता है. यही लोग सब कुछ करते हैं. जो भी हम जो स्ट्रैटेजी बनाते हैं उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करना है, उसका जो भी मटेरियल क्रिएट करना है, सारा रोल टीम का ही रहता है. तो अगेन टोटली 100% डिपेंडेंस ऑन टीम.
एंड हाउ आर यू प्लानिंग टू सेलिब्रेट दिस अचीवमेंट?
उसके लिए प्लान करेंगे कुछ और अच्छे तरीके से.
सोचा नहीं है,
प्लान करेंगे, अभी सोचा नहीं है.
Celebration has already begun now.
Yes,
So
sir.
long way to go for the celebration right now, है ना? So we have already started the celebration from this stage, and now we will continue with the celebration throughout the year, and definitely as CMD sir has shared their feelings and the suggestion that all the teams should have win in the coming year. So we will also try to achieve this year target as well, and again we'll come on this stage to receive these prestigious award.
Well, many congratulations to your entire team, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jai Venus, sir, and many congratulations to you both. So, what was the success mantra for this achievement?
We have several, but I would specify just a couple of mantras which have really helped, which was, as I told in my speech, we worked on SRA regime for special waivers, and we utilized Venus accreditations, what we have from Europe, Saudi Arabia, to convert business without registration. So it has been one of the biggest mantra, what has really translated into our success. Yeah.
And sir, according to your consistency or strategy, what matters the most in achieving any kind of target?
With respect to consistency, we have really tried and created a very consistent bond with our customers. We made very good friends with them, and they have really gone out of the mile to support us. And then we tried and focused a very balanced approach across the markets, and we have also, tried to exploit some fleeting business which have come our ways with the help of best service and fast lead time. And there was a very terrific coordinations what we got from IBST, giving us some of the orders really in a record time, which have really helped us to qualify ourselves for some of the orders which we got. And so these are our some of the best steps which we had taken in the last years. And above all, we have really kept ourselves led by our forethoughts and planning, which we used to visualize for sorting out our challenges and setbacks before actually they got birthed. So it has also helped us the way we have taken preemptive and proactive actions all across markets. So these are some of the steps which have really supported.
And sir, according to you, what mindset should a winner must have to achieve any kind of target?
So for winning any targets, before you go into implementation side, the hardware side, you have to develop a very strong mindset. You have to have the faith, in yourself that this target can be achieved. If you have that positivity and faith and mindset, then I'm telling you, you get so much, ideations and inputs and insights all across from different angles, which somewhere, help us. And we have these visions and faith from day one that we can achieve our targets. And obviously, we have taken strategic steps all across. We have built new customers. We have launched, new markets last financial year. So it was a very good collective efforts all across. And with the team, Mr. Vikas has played a very instrumental role, though he has been almost 1.5 years. But the kind of contribution and support he has put in, as a voice captain, as a second line, I would say, it was really tremendous. So the team efforts, the vision, the faith, and the mindset have really got enough synergy which supported us.
Well, that's really commendable, sir. And how are you planning to celebrate this win with your second line vice captain?
This is my right-hand guy, and we will think how we can go. Maybe we plan little later, but yes, it's a matter of great celebration for us, and it was our first year.
And you both definitely deserve it.
Yes, somehow, yes.
Yes.
So it's a great success for us, and we are elated, happy, and and all the support we got from all the departments, and then management.
Okay.
So
and any last message for the teams who couldn't make it this year to boost their confidence?
मेरे पास एक शेर है, probably राइम शायद नहीं बनेगा, but वो ये है, हार जन्म देती है जीत की. सो जो हार रहे हैं मुबारक हो, अब जीत रहे हो in a way. So harna is something really not that bad, and it's just that all those teams have to do some kind of introspections, what went wrong and what could be new challenges or obstacles going forward. Okay, so that needs to be mapped out and visualized beforehand probably, so that they don't have to resolve the problems. Okay, so it is what is called nip it in the bud. So I think that could be very crucial, and sometimes it is also bad luck and some circumstances which are beyond control. So every year probably will not be giving the same kind of challenges and hardships. So we have to have the positivity, faith, and then all the energy comes from the crossmen.
थैंक यू सो मच सर. यस सर, व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू ऐड ऑन? सर ने ऑलरेडी काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें कवर कर ली है, बट आपके अकॉर्डिंग.
Yeah, he has explained everything about our victory. So this is a proud moment for us and our team. And I can say only this thing: the team, like those who are not winning this, like PPL. So हारना का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप लोग दोबारा जीत नहीं सकते हो. तो एक मैं शेर कहना चाहूँगा उसमें कि गिरते हैं सिपे सलार जंगे मैदान में, जो लड़े ही नहीं वो हारेंगे क्या. तो हार जीत से ज़्यादा मैटर करता है लड़ना. अगर हम जंग लड़ रहे हैं तो दैट मीन्स कि हम जीतेंगे भी. तो हार मैटर नहीं करती, मेन है कि हमें उसमें फाइट करनी चाहिए.
थैंक यू सो मच सर, एंड मैनी मैनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू यू बोथ.